I don't get it. I really don't get it. Like, people really need to, like, understand, like, even though, like, their unachievable goal for small vehicles, like, the reason I was looking all this up is because I was wondering if they were ever going to make mini trucks again. And the reason they can't make mini trucks is because of the size and the miles per gallon that they would need to do. And the only thing that they could do to make a mini truck is make it electric, because then apparently there's no rules, because there is no miles per gallon when it comes to a mini truck. I'm complaining.